guys, how are you? So today we are going to talk about traveling. Do you like traveling? I guess so. Then guys, you have to learn traveling vocabulary. Imagine if you have a desire to visit any foreign country, so what language you will speak there? English, of course, right? That's why I am here with you today to teach you commonly used traveling vocabulary. So, are you excited to start already? Here we go. But before we start, take a look at the spelling of the word traveling. So, what do you think? Which one is correct? Okay, you will be surprised, but they are both correct. How come? So, traveling with double L is British English, and traveling with one L is American one. So, now we are at the point. Okay, we can travel by land, water, and air. Remember, traveling by land, traveling by water, traveling by air. As far as you know, there are many kinds of transport to travel by. Then remind me all land kinds of transport. I am convinced you already know them even better than me. Okay? It could be a car, a bus, or a train. So let's practice. Car, bus, train. Car, bus, train. Train. Here is one important thing to remember. We use preposition by while talking about traveling by various types of transport. So keep in mind, travel by car, travel by bus, travel by train. But guys, if you are much concerned with a healthy lifestyle, you can use your bicycle for traveling, right? Then let's review. Bicycle, bicycle, or as we usually say, bike, bike. And watch here, to ride a bike. So repeat, to ride a bike. Then the best alternative to riding a bike will be walking. Are you surprised? Why? So, to walk means to go on foot. Take a look. Walk, walk, or go on foot, go on foot. As a rule, we don't use by here. Sometimes when you are ready for walking on a long distance, so you will need to take your tent with you, so you are dealing with hiking. Hiking. So guys, let's review all land ways of traveling. So, to go by car, to go by bus, to go by train, to go by bike, to go on foot, that is to walk or to hike. So, your task will be to compare all these ways of traveling. Do you agree that while you are traveling by car, you have to spend a lot of money, but you will stop wherever you want? Then, when you decided to save some money, you would go by bus or by train. Choosing between these two, I would say the bus is more expensive, but you will enjoy picturesque views all the way around. Regarding the train, is a bit cheaper, than by bus, but it's fast enough. So, if you are pressed of time and you want to see a lot in one trip, a train is for you guys. Okay? Let's move on to the water traveling. The most common way of water traveling is traveling by ship. So let's practice. To travel by ship. To travel by ship. Then, if you want to spend your time in a fresh air and enjoy the pleasant sounds of waterways, definitely you will go by boat. And voila! So remember, to go by boat. To go by boat. Then, if you have a lot of money and you are looking for something that is exotic, then yacht is the best option for you. Okay? So, are you excited? Okay, then remember, to go yachting. To go yachting. Let me know whether you have had a chance to go yachting. So, will you remember what are ways of traveling? Let's sum up. To go by ship, to go by boat, and to go yachting. Okay, guys? Then imagine if you have to travel overseas, what does it mean? So, to travel overseas means you visit a foreign country which is separated from your own country by sea or by ocean. Then obviously, the only way out in such a case is to travel by air. Yes, guys, we are talking about air traveling. So, we will start with plane. Plane. And the other one is helicopter. Helicopter. So, traveling by plane is quite expensive. But imagine, this is the fastest kind of transport. Imagine only we can reach any part of our planet just in a few hours. Yes, the flying machines are the miracle of the last century. One more important thing here. So guys, if you are in need to transfer heavy load, let's say a car for example, then the best option will be a ship, but it's too slow. Now I'm pretty sure you will remember all traveling vocabulary. Your task is to write me in the comments what is your favorite way of traveling and why. That will be a homework. So guys, subscribe to my channel and I will see you during our next lesson. Bye my sweeties!